Welcome to the Cancer Fighting Kitchen. My name is Judy Fitzgerald and I'm a 15-year breast cancer survivor. Since my diagnosis, it has been my mission to lead a healthier life and educate others, since I'm a former teacher, of how to lead a healthier life themselves. So my new mission is to have this channel where I'll be sharing my favorite recipes with you and hoping that you'll find some of these to adopt and share with your entire family. I'm hoping we can all learn to lead a healthier life together and get on the path to wellness. So let's get started. So to make these muffins vegan, we're going to start by making a flax egg. So this recipe calls for 4 flax eggs. So the recipe for a flax egg is 1 tablespoon of flax seeds to 2.5 tablespoons of water. I've already made these in advance because I wanted to have them ready. You can see that when you make it, it makes like a gelatin-like substance, and that's exactly what you want. So I'm going to start by adding that to my bowl. So the benefits of dates. For those who have hair loss problems, dates should be incorporated into your daily routine. They contain high concentrations of iron and vitamin B, which are responsible for circulation of blood and promoting your hair growth. So for your skin, dates provide better elasticity by being rich in vitamin C and vitamin D. And they have phytohormones that contain significant amount of anti-aging effects and can also help combat wrinkles. They help regulate your blood pressure because they're high in potassium. Dates are awesome during pregnancy. Their rich compounds help with digestive issues since they're high in fiber. They also regulate cholesterol and blood pressure, which is very important during pregnancy. For women nearing their due date, if you eat dates daily, they're known in ancient times to be used to soften the cervix, to prepare it for birth, and improve bone health, which is very important if you are on an aromatase inhibitor, because dates are very rich in vitamins and minerals like copper, magnesium, and selenium, which help with good bone health. So you can see I've soaked the dates, and medjool dates are normally very soft, but because I keep them in the refrigerator to keep them fresh, I needed to soak them. Now, when you soak them, they soften up quite nicely, and you can see that the water has got a rich color to it. So what I'm going to do when I'm through with this is save this liquid and use it to sweeten my smoothie. So the dates are not pitted, so we'll need to actually take the pits out of the date and add them to our bowl. So we'll continue with our liquid ingredients. I'm going to add a 1/3 cup of honey. And honey is just full of antioxidants and nutrients that enhance any recipe. Add that in there too. And then we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I pre-measured out 1 cup of almond butter. Almonds are a great neutralizing agent to keep our bodies alkaline, which is important for good health. And I'm going to add in our pumpkin, which is 1.5 cups of pumpkin. And these are our wet ingredients, so now we're going to just mix it up. So now we just mix it with the mixer. batter here. You can also do this in a food processor, which might make it a little bit easier for you as well. So now we're going to go with our dry ingredients. So this does not have any flour in it, but it calls for 3 cups of whole grain oats. Again, I always use organic because we know that it wasn't sprayed with any pesticides. And then we're going to add into that 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, again, organic. One teaspoon of cinnamon, again, organic. And last but not least, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda. Just one. I use my 2/4 here, 1.5. And then we're going to mix it up. This recipe calls for either 2/3 cups of chocolate chips or raisins. So I'm going to add raisins because that sort of gives it a really nice fall sort of flavor to it. Not too much. And I'm going to stir it up again. You can see our lovely mixture here. So now all I've got to do is to put it into the pan and bake it. So these are baked at 375 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Now what I do is I use coconut oil cooking spray to spray the baking pans so that I don't have to use paper, and it makes it more eco-friendly. So I'm going to just spray the muffin tin with coconut oil. And I'm going to fill the muffin tins about 2/3 full. They smell yummy. You see how beautiful they look, and they smell amazing. So I'm going to put them in the oven at 375 and bake them for 20 to 25 minutes. And I'll be back. As the British say, it's tea time. So it's best to let these cool quite a bit. I'm just going to try to take one out to show you. And look at how yummy and full of wholesome ingredients this looks. Like and subscribe button below so I can continue to bring you these wonderful and healthy recipes. And so till next time, thanks for tuning in. Stay safe, stay healthy, and may God bless. And thanks for watching.